Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you on how to use the Notebook LM for students and how you can learn anything with the Notebook LM. Okay, so what if you had an AI study partner that could explain your lecture notes, summarize the long textbooks, create quizzes, generate flashcards, and even turn your study materials into a podcast you can listen to on the go? So that's exactly what Notebook LM can do. So, yeah, whether you're in high school, college, or learning a new skill on your own, this tool can really help you understand your materials instead of just memorizing them. Okay, so the Notebook LM is Google's AI powered research and learning assistant. Unlike traditional AI chatbots that answer questions using general knowledge, Notebook LM is designed to work with the materials you provide. You can upload lecture notes, PDFs, Google Documents, slides, research papers, and other learning resources, then ask questions based on those sources. So, this makes the Notebook LM especially useful for studying because it is responses grounded in your own course materials. Think of it as a personalized tutor that studies the same documents you do. Okay, so now let us create our first notebook. So before that, you just have to visit the Notebook LM website. So using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Notebook LM. And then you have this first result. So you just simply tap on this one. All right, and then you have this Try Notebook LM. So tap on it and it would be directed to this section. So right here, you just have to make sure that you have logged into your Google account. Okay, so after signing in with your Google account, you just have to tap on the Create a New Notebook. Okay, so we are just going to give our notebook a name. For example, I'm going to name this one World History. Okay, and then after that, each notebook is dedicated workspace where you will store all of your sources for one subject. So keeping separate notebooks for different classes makes your study sessions more organized. So for this notebook, it will be all about the world history. So we're not going to add not related topics into this notebook. Okay. Next one is we are going to upload our study materials. So tap on the add sources option. Okay. So we can upload here lecture notes, PDF textbooks where you have permission to use them, Google Documents, Google Slides, research papers, assignment instructions, class handouts, and your own summaries. So the better your sources, the better Notebook LM's responses will be. So instead of searching the internet for answers, the AI focuses on the documents you have provided. So for example, I'm just going to search for resources from the web. Okay. So for example, world history. All right, and then you just have to click on the enter option and you would be able to see here all of the result at the left side. Okay, so after you've found your sources or after you have successfully uploaded your sources right here, you can now ask questions like you're talking to a tutor. So let me just import these. Okay, so instead of reading hundreds of pages, you can ask Notebook LM questions directly. So for example, okay, I'm just going to use this one. For example, I'm going to type it right here. Explain this um, chapter or explain this in simple language. Okay, so tap on the send option. You can also ask the Notebook LM to summarize today's lecture. What are the three most important concepts in this document? Can you compare this to theories? So yeah, this conversational approach can really help you understand complex topics more quickly. Okay, so here, as you can see at the right side as well, we have the audio overview, the slide deck, the video overview, mind map, reports, quiz, data table, and more. Okay, now you can also turn your study guides, turn notes into study guides. So Notebook LM can also organize your notes into easy to review study materials. Okay, so we have here now the result for our recent instruction for Notebook LM. Okay, so for example, we can type of right here, create a one-page study guide um, from these, okay, or from these notes. So just have the tap on the send option. And you can also request chapter summaries, important formulas, timelines, comparison tables, or concept overviews. So instead of spending hours writing your notes, you will have a structured review guide in minutes. Okay, so you have that right here. Now, we can also create practice quizzes and flashcards. Testing yourself is one of the best ways to remember information. So Notebook LM can generate study questions directly from your material. So we can try prompts like right here, like create 20 um, multiple choice, multiple choice questions. Or you can also type it right here, generate flashcards for this chapter, generate flashcards as well. Okay, or make a practice exam based on these notes. This helps you identify what you already know and what you still need to review before an exam. Okay, and of course you can also learn while you're away with the audio overviews. It is one of the Notebook LM's most unique features is the audio overviews. So after uploading your materials, Notebook LM can create an AI generated audio discussion based on your sources. Instead of reading your notes again, you can listen while commuting. So you have that right here. All right. And yeah, while you're commuting, walking, exercising, or taking a break, you just have to simply tap on this one. So just wait for a couple of seconds. So it's like it's turning your study materials into an educational podcast that helps you enforce what you've learned. Okay, so just a few tips: upload high quality relevant study materials, use AI generated summaries and quizzes to support your learning, but always review your original sources. And then if you're working on graded assignments, you can use the Notebook LM as a learning tool rather than a simply copying its responses. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.